Once upon a time, in the very heart of the sleepy forest, lived a most gentle dragon named Sparkle. Sparkle was a special dragon, for instead of breathing fire, he blew the most beautiful, shimmering bubbles. These bubbles floated softly through the air, carrying tiny whispers of starlight. Sparkle lived with his two sweet siblings, Pip and Poppy. Pip was a little dragon who loved to nap under the biggest, fluffiest clouds. Poppy, with her tiny wings, enjoyed chasing the moonbeams as they danced through the trees. Their home in the sleepy forest was always peaceful and quiet. The leaves rustled like soft lullabies, and the flowers glowed with a gentle, sleepy light. It was the perfect place for little dragons to dream. One sleepy afternoon, as the sun began to dip low, a most wonderful smell drifted through the forest. It was warm and sweet, like a cozy hug. Sparkle, Pip, and Poppy lifted their little noses and sniffed the air. "What could that be?" whispered Pip, his eyes twinkling with sleepy curiosity. The scent was so inviting, so comforting, like a secret waiting to be found. They followed the delicious aroma, their tiny paws patting softly over the mossy ground. The scent grew stronger, leading them to a hidden opening, a mysterious tunnel tucked away behind a curtain of shimmering vines. With a gentle nudge from Sparkle, they stepped inside the tunnel. It wasn't dark or scary, but filled with a soft, glowing light that seemed to hum a quiet tune. The air inside smelled even more wonderfully of fresh, warm donuts. They tiptoed through narrow passages, their scales brushing against walls that sparkled like crushed moonbeams. Each step was a soft adventure, a quiet exploration deeper into the sweet-smelling mystery. Soon, they came to a sparkling stream that flowed with a gentle gurgle. Its water shimmered with all the colors of a sleepy rainbow. They carefully crossed, feeling the cool, soft mist on their faces. Finally, the tunnel opened up into a magnificent, magical cave. And oh, what a sight it was! The cave was filled with the most beautiful, glowing donuts you could ever imagine. They floated in the air, spun slowly on pedestals of light, and rested gently on soft, mossy beds. These were not just any donuts. They were the magical donuts of the Donut Temple. Each one glowed with its own soft light, some a warm vanilla, others a gentle strawberry, and some a deep, comforting chocolate. The air was thick with their sweet, sleepy scent. Sparkle, Pip, and Poppy gazed in wonder at the beautiful, glowing treats. It was a place of pure magic, a sweet dream come true. They knew this was a special secret, a place for quiet joy and gentle dreams. The soft glow of the donuts filled the cave with a peaceful warmth. Sparkle blew a few shimmering bubbles, which floated among the glowing donuts, adding to the magical scene. Pip and Poppy snuggled close, feeling perfectly content. The Donut Temple was a place of quiet wonder, a reminder of the sweet adventures that can be found when you follow a gentle scent. It was a place to feel safe, loved, and ready for the most wonderful dreams. Now, as you close your eyes, imagine those glowing donuts and the soft, sweet air. Let the gentle magic of Sparkle's adventure lull you into a peaceful, sleepy dream. Good night, little one. Sweet dreams.